Hello guys! Ito na naman tayo sa kitchen ni Ate Samilyn. So, maggagawa ako ngayon ng macarons kasi sayang yung aking coconut flakes dito. So, ayan, meron tayong 2 cups and then isang condensed cream and then syempre sugar, baking powder, vanilla, and eggs. So, yan ang ating kailangan guys. Okay? Let's wait and see. Tsaka ayan ang ating molder. So ayan, nakakita ako ng yung binili ko pa to sa may pinagbilan ako na Japanese store. So ayan, meron siyang 24. So kung hindi kasya, meron tayong mas malaki na cupcake. So ayan guys. So, ayan guys, combine na natin yung ating wet and dry ingredients. So, ayan. Mix natin together. Oh, I can't wait. Gusto rin ng asawa ko to. So, ayan. Mix lang. Mekos natin guys. Okay. So, ayan guys. Ilalagay na natin sa ating molder yung ating macaron mixture. So, ayan. So, 1 tablespoon ang bawat isa guys. So, ayan. Let's wait. Kailangan 2 kamay. So, wait muna guys. So, guys, ayan. Tapos na. Ilagay natin sa oven ngayon. And ayan, I can't wait to eat the macarons, guys. So, guys, ayan, nilagay na natin yung ating macarons. So, sa 320, 20 minutes. So, ayan, guys, abangan natin. Yum, yum, yum. So, guys, ayan, luto na ang ating macarons. So, ayan, palalagyan natin. Tsaka natin titikman kung ano ang verdict ng aking macarons, guys. Yum, yum, yum. I can't wait to eat, but still hot, guys. It's hot, hot, hot. Wow. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. Ingat kayo lagi. God bless. I love you all. Ma, ma, ma.